Are you ready?
Welcome to the room tour here at the Moxy, here at Manchester City Centre. You know me, I love Moxy, so I thought it'd be nice to have a look around at this beautiful room. It's similar to the room that we had in Birmingham and Milton Keynes. You can see, my hands are actually shaking, don't mind me. You can actually see the reviews I did of that hotel on my YouTube channel. I'll put up a link into the playlist below so you can have a look at those videos. But before we get into the bedroom, I'm going to start in this way because we came in a different way to we normally would. So we'll check out the bathroom. Got nice fluffy towels on there, really nice and soft. Love it. Got the bog. Got some cups, some tissues, electrical ports for shaving and all that. Of course, we've got our muck. This comes standard in Moxy hotels, you get some muck. There's me in the mirror. I'm gonna hop into the shower very soon because I'm going to a concert soon, so I need to go get changed and have some food. Got the muck, conditioner, hair and body wash. Everyone loves to muck. If I can drizzle this one, we've got the very posh shower head, and obviously it's one of those where you can press it and it will change all the functions from massage and all that. And it looks like the control is dead easy to use. If we come back out of here, you can see I'm already making myself at home, so please mind the mess. So we've got hangers, a little thing there for your case. Don't come a-knocking. I do love the sense of humour that the Moxys have. Don't come a-knocking. Love it. We've got a nice mirror. I'm going to use that later on to get ready and all that. Moxy also provides you with a tea kettle with teas, coffees, sugars and cups and mugs. If you're feeling peckish, you can help yourself to food from 12 till 10 p.m. You can get, they do sourdough pizzas, waffles, chicken wings and loaded tater tots. We got a little area here where you can just sit down and relax. It's a nice little invention because they don't waste on space here at Moxy. And this is the bed. Bed touch just says it's really comfortable. It's the same standard as you get in other Moxy hotels. And of course, you can leave your hat on. I'm leaving mine on tonight, definitely. I do love a sense of humour that the Moxys have. Look at these on the table. You get out on the little side table. There is a plug next to it as well. There is also a little reading light to the side of the bed. And our view is Manchester. So up there you can see there's a Starbucks, there's also Tesco Express, there's also a Sainsbury's local around the corner as well. And in the distance you can see the Hilton Deansgate as well, which I want to stay, but it costs an arm and a leg just to get in that place, even on my Hilton Honours rate. But I'll leave the price how much I paid for this room in the at the end of this video actually, because I used my Marriott Bonvoy member rate to get this hotel, because this was the last minute hotel booking, because we were meant to go and review the Gotham, but unfortunately due to reasons that I won't go into, we couldn't get into the Gotham. But now I think it's time to do the bed test, don't you think? So then, we're ready for the bed test. I have to put it on here because, I forgot, I'll show you in a minute, is the table. Because I have to put it on the table because there's literally no side table like underneath the TV. I'll show you the TV in a minute, but I'll show you something. This is the bed. Ooh. It's so nice and soft. Yes, the same quality that you get in other Moxy's that I've stayed in as well, because obviously I've done the Moxy in Birmingham and Milton Keynes, and it's the same quality mattress, same everything that you would expect from a Marriott Moxy hotel sort of vibe, which I absolutely love. And finally, this is the television. I love the lights at the top, because like I said, this is sort of similar room to the Moxy in Birmingham and Milton Keynes. Oh, before I forget, every guest in the Moxy, you get a little, like, this is like the little casino chip. It says on here, cheers to you. This one's on us, you get a free drink. You can have it with or without the gin shot. I don't drink, so I'll probably skip that and have a softie instead. So that's it, guys. That is the Moxy. I only paid £125, including breakfast, on a Marriott Bonvoy member bed and breakfast rate. So leave me a comment below if you would like to stay here at the Moxy. Thanks, guys. There is plenty more hotel reviews on my YouTube channel. I know I'm shaking like mad. I can't stop the shaking, but I can edit it out, hopefully. You can view some more hotel guides on my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Have a good evening. I shall see you soon.